the best.
Thank you. Life is beautiful. We take birth, and from that moment, our life begins. There are 4 phases. The first phase of our life is childhood, which is the best phase among all. I can see so many people smiling in front of me just to remember your some good childhood memories. Then we are introduced with our next phase of life, that is the fairy tale life, that is teenage. We start taking interest in opposite sex, and I'm sure everyone can easily remember their first teenage crush. Then we become adult, concentrate on our careers, make goals, try to achieve it, and get married, get old, and at last, what we eventually do, we die. That's it. In this whole life, we have just taken birth to do only these routine things. No guys, God has given us birth as a human life, not to do only these things. We should make our life more adventurous, more meaningful, more entertaining, more memorable, so that we can have a lot of good memories behind us. But nowadays, people have no time for themselves. They have made themselves too busy. They have made their life like a machine. Sleep, wake up, eat, work, sleep, and do it again and again and again. We have made our life that we are only allowed to live on our life only on weekends. We go meet our friends and relatives on weekends, and what we eventually do there, we again talk about our stressful life and become stressed again. That's it. And you know what? Some people are like that God has made them only to be tensed. And even if you say their face, you will always become sad. But actually it's not their fault. They have made themselves like that. They have stopped their life to live. They think too much before doing anything new. Because according to them, if they will do anything new, their prestige, their image will be shot in front of the society. They think about their society more than themselves. But it's not right. It's your life. You won't get it again. So live it the way you want. In the same way, some people start criticizing their life and think that their life is too miserable. They compare their life with others. Like, why I'm too fat, why I'm too thin, why I'm too tall, why I'm too short, why I have a boyfriend, why I don't have a boyfriend, why I'm too rich, why I'm not rich, and so on. But guys, just trust me, everyone is different with a different destiny, different potential, and different abilities. And even you are special. It's just that you need to realize it. And trust me, whenever you will realize it, your life will become fantastic. And even some people don't find the happiness. They just find the stress and tension among all the incidents which happens to them. What if something bad happens to you? Just take it as a learning lesson so that you can't repeat that mistake again. Some people take so much tension just because of silly things like breakups, failure in their professional life, criticism from the society, and some of them eventually do is to commit suicide. Like seriously, is this a solution? No ways. By doing this, you prove yourself that you are a coward. It's that what happens if someone has broken your heart? The life doesn't end. So make your life more happy. Do something which you have never done. You know, by doing this, you can have a lot of stories to tell to your grandchildren. And trust me, it will make them happy and you too. Go with your friends. Do whatever you want to do. Go wherever you want to go. Be with the company of good people. Always try to be positive. Stay away from all the negativities. You know, it will work. Definitely it will work. And I have a solution. Just go in the front of mirror daily. Compliment yourself with this thing. Wow, what a masterpiece God has made. Trust me friends, sometimes blow your own trumpet is good to build your own confidence and make yourself more good and more pleasant. Look at the butterfly. Its lifespan is too short, yet it enjoys every lifetime very fantastic and throughout the year. In the same way, we have also short life to live. We don't know whenever we will die. So why to think about tomorrow, that we will live our life tomorrow? Don't think about tomorrow. Today is your day. Make it special. Make every moment special so that it can be memorable for you always. Everyone has a tension. Everyone has a stress. You don't need to show it in front of everyone. Just make a resolution Whenever you go outside, go with the happiness, go with a smile, go with a warmness, meet with friends, be friendly, be cool, so that whenever they can talk about you, they can have a smile on their face and they can say, wow, what a man he is. You know, it will work. And at last I can say that just trust yourself, be confident, do whatever you want, and just make up your mind that yes, I can do it. Because डर के आगे ही जीत है, my friends. Thank you.